Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 8th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from U.S. Foods, one of the largest food service distributors in the United States. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. U.S. Foods has just released their third quarter fiscal year 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. U.S. Foods reported net sales of $9.7 billion for the third quarter, marking a 6.8% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in net sales is primarily driven by a 3.8% increase in total case volume and a 3.2% food cost inflation. Notably, independent restaurant case volume rose by 4.1%, which is a significant contributor to the sales increase. This indicates strong demand in the independent restaurant sector.
And how about profitability?
U.S. Foods saw an 8.1% increase in gross profit, reaching $1.7 billion. This was achieved through improved cost of goods sold, pricing optimization, and a favorable LIFO adjustment. Net income surged by 55.8% to $148 million, with diluted EPS up 60.5% to 61 cents, reflecting strong operational performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. U.S. Foods has also reported a 13.2% increase in adjusted EBITDA to $455 million. What does this tell us about their operational efficiencies?
This increase in adjusted EBITDA, along with a margin expansion of 27 basis points to 4.7%, highlights the company's effective cost management and operational efficiencies. They've managed to grow adjusted gross profit faster than adjusted operating expenses, which is a positive sign of financial discipline.
Looking ahead, how is U.S. Foods positioning itself for the future?
The company has updated its fiscal year 2024 guidance, projecting net sales between $37.7 billion and $38 billion, and adjusted EBITDA between $1.72 billion and $1.74 billion. Additionally, they've repurchased $580 million worth of shares, indicating confidence in their financial health and future prospects.
Strategic initiatives and market position. U.S. Foods has been gaining market share for 14 consecutive quarters. What strategies are they employing to achieve this?
Their success can be attributed to a strategy-driven operating model, a team-based go-to-market approach, and leading digital solutions. These elements have enabled them to consistently outperform in the market, particularly with independent restaurants.
How has U.S. Foods responded to recent challenges, such as the hurricanes in the Southeast?
CEO Dave Flitman emphasized the company's commitment to supporting affected communities and maintaining service during these challenging times. This dedication not only strengthens their community ties, but also enhances their reputation as a reliable partner in the food service industry.
Financial health and risk management. Let's talk about U.S. Foods' financial health. How are they managing their debt and cash flow?
U.S. Foods ended the quarter with a net debt of $4.7 billion, maintaining a stable net debt to adjusted EBITDA ratio of 2.8x. They generated $891 million in cash flow from operations, which, despite a slight decrease from last year, remains robust. Capital expenditures increased to $236 million, reflecting investments in technology and infrastructure.
Are there any risks investors should be aware of?
While U.S. Foods is performing well, they face risks such as economic factors affecting consumer spending, competition, and potential supply chain disruptions. However, their strategic initiatives and financial discipline position them well to navigate these challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, U.S. Foods has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of fiscal year 2024, with significant growth in net sales and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
U.S. Foods' consistent market share gains and robust financial health make them an attractive investment. Their updated guidance and share repurchase program further underscore their confidence in future performance. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to manage external risks effectively.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on U.S. Foods' performance in the comments below. Until next time.